I'm gonna read all the questions on Amazon and answer all the questions you could have about these pens. First things first, there's 5 different colors. It's black, green, red, blue, and white. The tips look like this, and there's like 2 or 3 markers. It's 15 in total, so 2 or 3 of each color, except I think white only has 2. I could be wrong. It's on here, like all the markers are here. So, and they look really nice so far. I'm gonna be testing it on paper each and show you guys how it looks. You know, if it dries well or anything like that. So here I am. It doesn't even have like a strong Sharpie smell. And there you go, right away. Is it smudging? No, it's not smudging. That's really nice. And they're very thin, so that's nice as well. Yeah, they're all around the same. You can't, hopefully, yeah, you can't even see this white, but the white one did get a little bit on my fingers. And that's because I did it right away. So if I wait let's wait like 3 seconds. Yeah, it dried up in 3 seconds. So the red one was like when I did it, nothing, but the white one got a little bit of ink. And let's see, let's try the blue one. Nope, nothing either. You still just see the white. If I do it like, say like that, nothing. Do you see any smudging? So that's really good. It's just the white one is the only, seems to be like the only issue that takes, I mean, it's not like a long wait, but you know, if you're using it a lot, it's this one as well, no smudging, and it dried off pretty nicely. And the colors are all really good. You don't even have, I'm not even pressing that hard on these markers. And they're showing up good on the paper. No smudging. So it seems like the white one is the only one that I got ink on my hands. What else? Let me see what other questions y'all could have. The drying time, it does seem to be good. The quality does seem good as well. And another question I saw, is the pen refillable? No, these are not refillable. But I wish you could see how much ink is on here, like when it's going to dry up, you know? But I don't think, they don't look like they are. I mean, I can try and see. No, they don't look like they are. But overall, this is a great product, and I do recommend it if you're going to be taking notes in school, especially. I prefer using a permanent marker or a marker like this. I don't know if this is permanent, but I prefer using a marker over a pencil. I don't know, because, you know, it's hard to get that perfect glide, and I feel like it's easier with a permanent or a marker. And I like how thin it is, so it's easy to take notes, or you want to do like very light sketching or drawing, like line art and stuff, or do outlines of your drawings. I completely would recommend this, especially like the black one. Like they all seem pretty nice, but the black one and the red one, actually all of them seem pretty saturated. Like, what do y'all think? They all seem pretty good, you know? I feel like. So this is all the black, the blue, red, and green. I feel like they're pretty good. So overall, it's a good product, and for 15 pens, because I tend to lose my pens easily. So I'm glad like they give you more than one color, because it's better to have more than one color of each than one of each, and then you lose that color and you can't use it again, especially if it was your favorite. But overall, a great product. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream, and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon on your, if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to your, if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.